Scoop it down. There's my cat. Okay, and my snort laugh. You guys just heard it. This is Tigger. Hi guys, Dr. K here, and I just re-herniated or re-aggravated my hiatal hernia. So I figured I'm going to shoot a video. I'm at home, and I'm going to shoot a video, and first of all, tell you what my symptoms were, because they were a little unique this time. So I was just over here lifting my footrest of my massage table while I put blue tape under it because there's a wall behind it and I don't want to push it back too far and it hits the wall. Anyway, while I was doing that, I was kneeled down on one knee and I was lifting something, and I was also trying to push my cat out of the way. And while doing that, I realized I wasn't breathing. So I was holding my breath, holding that weight and trying to peel the tape off, which took like a minute or two, right? So I got up, and then all of a sudden, boom, pain. I never have pain. I've had acid reflux once or twice, but I get burping. Those are my only symptoms. The very first time I had a hiatal hernia, acid reflux, I was in college. I was in chiropractic school. That's how I learned how to do this technique. Anyway, I just had a lot of pain just now, so I grabbed my reflux shield. This thing really works. It helps me immensely because yes, I can get a little bit of leverage in there with my hands, but not enough. This gives me much more leverage to get in there and really pull the stomach down, okay? So if I don't have this, of course, I'm on vacation or something, then I'll use my hands. But really, I usually do. I don't have to travel with this anymore because I rarely have this happen unless I do something stupid like that, okay? So we're not all perfect, right? So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do this over my shirt. This can be done over the shirt. I'm going to put this right at the xiphoid process, the beveled edge. There's a beveled edge here that goes right underneath the ribs and at a 60-degree angle from my stomach. Okay, I'm going to push it in with both hands, and I'm going to get to about a pain level of 5 out of 10. And once I got it in there, all the way till a pain out of 5 out of 10, you'll hear my voice change. Then I'm going to go to the reverse neutral drive position, holding that 5 out of 10 pressure. And then lighten up to 4, 3, 2, 1. And I'm going to do that 3 to 5 times, and already I can feel a difference. By the way, I did this twice before I shot this video because it was really uncomfortable. The pain was pretty intense. It was at like a 7 out of 10, and that's unique for me. I don't get stomach pain, and I had nausea right after that. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do it again, and 60-degree angle from my stomach, press into a 5 out of 10, and then scoop the stomach out from the diaphragm. Scoop it down. There's my cat. Okay, and my snort laugh. You guys just heard it. This is Tigger. Anyway, I feel better already. I'm telling you guys, this technique works. The hiatal hernia maneuver really does work, and the reflux shield works even better. Thanks for tuning in. Thank you guys so much. If you got anything from this video, or even if you just like this view of the Empire State Building and the Chrysler Building, give me a like, and don't forget to subscribe. Appreciate you guys.